Hey, Math 8. All right. We are doing using the Pythagorean theorem to find the perimeter. Okay. This one is not difficult, but you do need to pay attention. So, first of all, you probably notice when you look at this shape right here, you probably notice that you could easily count this side, which is 5 long, and this one up here, which is 5 long. So both of these sides right here are going to be 5 long each. But counting this one when it goes at a diagonal is very difficult. However, if you notice, if we put a line straight down here going like that, we make this nice right triangle with a base of 5, a height of 12, and then we just got to find this length here, which on all right triangles we use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if we do that, we take and we square the 5, we square the 12. Well, 5 squared is 25, 12 squared is 144. We add these two together, 25 plus 144 is 169. And then we take the square root of 169 and we get 13. So that tells us this side right here is 13, and that also tells us this side here is 13. We then just add the four sides. 13 plus 13 is 26. 5 plus 5 is 10. 26 plus 10 is 36. It's that easy. Let's try another one here. Here's a trapezoid, okay? So the first thing I do before I start counting up all these sides is I want to take care of this slant height right here. So let's take care of this by drawing a line straight across here, and this gives us right here a nice little right triangle. I know that this side here, A, is 3, the side B is 4. I just need to find the other side. So 3 squared is 9, 4 squared, excuse me, 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. Take the square root of 25, and c equals 5. So we know this equals 5. Then, since we already have included these two, we just need the side length of this, this, and each of those are 4 each. Okay, so we're going to add our outsides there. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. You'll notice we never count this inside piece right here. Hey guys, that's all there is to it. Good luck. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.